Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a flower lamp. First, carefully unbox your new flower lamp and identify all its parts, including the lamp head, stand, and power cord. Next, assemble the stand and securely attach the lamp head, ensuring it is stable. Finally, plug the power adapter into the lamp, then into a standard electrical outlet, making sure the connection is firm. This initial setup is crucial for safe and effective operation. Proper placement is key for your plant's health. Position the flower lamp directly over your plants to ensure uniform light coverage across all leaves. A general guideline is to keep the lamp about 12 to 18 inches above the plant canopy. As your plants grow taller, remember to adjust the lamp's height upwards to maintain this optimal distance, preventing light burn or insufficient light. Understanding light cycles is vital for plant development. For vegetative growth, provide your plants with approximately 16 hours of light followed by 8 hours of darkness each day. When your plants enter the flowering stage, transition to a 12-hour light and 12-hour darkness cycle. Many flower lamps offer dimmer settings. Use these to adjust light intensity, especially for young seedlings or sensitive plants. Regular maintenance ensures your flower lamp's longevity and efficiency. Once a week, gently wipe the lamp's surface with a soft, dry cloth to remove any accumulated dust, which can impede light output. Periodically check the power cord for fraying or damage to prevent electrical hazards. Also, ensure there is adequate air circulation around the lamp to dissipate heat, keeping it cool and operating optimally for your thriving plants.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.